Well. Can't believe I'm about to vlog without a shirt or whatever. What's up, y'all? Domino here. You know, what's the matter with me, y'all? Just a vlog on a rainy day. It's not even raining. Let me go get a shirt. About to go put my shirt on right now. Put on my nice shirt. All right. All right. Maybe I'm excited because I seen the girl in my life today, The girl who I care about, Little, I wouldn't call her little Miss Redhead, I waited so long for to get her red hair back. I thought she was going to never get her red hair back, Yep, so here I go, okay? About to step on this balcony. I hope I don't get disconnected. Time I step outside, I get disconnected. When I step on the back, I get disconnected, So, I mean, I had a nice day today, Yes, indeed, y'all. That's why I say God is good all the time, Okay? All right. So, I must say, y'all, everything is good so far, so good, I saw Erica, my friend, though, So anyway, I met her son Zelly, I mean, I waited so long to meet Zelly, I waited so darn long, And I'm so happy to meet him though. Okay, I met her mom, Miss Connie. Yeah, I was nervous. So, well, there's nobody around to listen to what I'm saying though. But there's millions of audience people that's watching me probably right now as I post this, and stuff like that, Okay. So, what I was saying, y'all. I mean, all right. So the way I think about it, y'all, I was so happy to meet our mom, Miss Connie. Mother and daughter, sweet. Well, I was kind of nervous to meet Miss Connie. Why? Let me tell y'all why. I waited so long to meet her mom though. I've always wanted to meet her mommy though. I've always wanted to meet her family, but her best friend Erica, I never had a chance to meet her. I've always wanted to meet her, but now it's too late though. So she's already gone. I'm sorry to say, So I never had a chance to meet her, y'all. I wish I would have had a chance to meet her though. I mean, honestly, y'all. I never met Erica, and I'm getting a little choked up about it, Okay, I'm getting a little choked up about it, Honestly, And I never met Erica, and I'm choked up about it, Okay, so so I must say, y'all, I was so happy to see my girl. Well, I call her my baby. Nobody, like I said, I like her. Nobody was supposed to know, And she told somebody I'm in love with her. Uh, uh, which is true. Yeah. Wow. She said it to somebody, and now her mom probably knows I like her. Oh my God. Yeah, I like her daughter. Oh my God. Jesus. Well, I screwed up my time, very much. Lack of pain, not a joke. But I was so happy to see her. I miss seeing her. God knows, you know. So when I when I get me a new house or whatever, next year after next, I sure hope her and her children can come over, watch Sonic movies together, Yeah, because I haven't seen a Sonic movie yet, I haven't saw the first Sonic movie yet. Excuse me, okay? So, all right, so I'm trying to gather as much subscribers on my YouTube channel as I can, with the gameplays and the vlogs and stuff, commentaries and stuff like that, Mm-hmm. And talk about Will Smith smacking Chris Rock, which was a dumb thing to do, And then I was told that Jada Pinkett Smith is still in love with Tupac, I mean, I don't understand. Tupac. I mean, I don't even know why Tupac is in this equation. And y'all know Tupac been deceased for so many years since 1996. He passed away on my birthday. Okay, let me see my calculator. Let me go find my calculator. I'm about to go find my calculator right now, Okay? About to go find my calculator, and do the math, I'm terrible at math unless I have a calculator, All right? All right, so to tell y'all how long Tupac been left us, So 2021 I'm gonna go to. Tupac been deceased for 25 years, 25 years, and it's going on 26, Tupac passed away on my birthday, I, I, I think it's been 26 years since my next door neighbor's daughter passed away, Miss Lisa. She passed away on my birthday too. I don't know if it was 96 or 97, All right. Yeah, I'm a little choked up right now, a little teary because I'm so happy to see Erica, I mean, I'm not gonna tell the world where she work at or where she used to work at. And I'm not going to tell the world where Brittany used to work at. Because, I'm going to keep that off my show. Okay? All right? Okay. Yeah, I'm a little happy. I mean, tears of joy because I love my friend so much, because I deeply care about her, Okay? Mm-hmm. Yep. We Facebook friends, and I'm pretty sure she gonna watch this on our timeline, Mm-hmm. So, yeah. Mm-hmm. I sure wish I could meet her oldest son, AJ. Okay. All y'all gotta do is pray for me, that I reach the top and stuff like that, I mean, good things is coming, When you have harsh luck, your luck pick up, Sometimes I be tripping outside. I mean, actually tripping, hit a hump, and I know my auntie and them gonna watch this video and say what happened to me and all that. Cause one time I fell out on a bus, Ain't nothing it was my shoes, honestly, All I said was every time, and I'm clumsy, I'm very, very clumsy, I'm a clumsy person, I even fell out somewhere. I almost tripped and stuff like that. I'm like, all I can say is every time, and then oh, see that? I'm clumsy, In these damn slippers, shoot. Yes, indeed, y'all. All right. I'm laughing at myself because I almost fell on my face again, Mm-hmm. Yeah, so like I say, almost anything I do is not my intentions. It never be my intentions. Somebody calling me downstairs. Uh so anyway, y'all. That's all I'm gonna say for right now. Eric, if you watching this, I'm so glad to see you. I know you was glad to see me. Oh, and I'm not gonna show my viewers what I have for because I still got a Valentine stuff over here right now, right now. So I'll give it to her when I can. Okay, I'll give it to her when I can. But technically, I've been too busy with this. With my gaming, with this laptop right here and this television right here and stuff like that. Cause I be uploading my gaming, and you see the games I got. I've been working. Yeah, YouTube is my job, and pretty soon I need to start doing videos on TikTok as well. I know I got my family members is watching this right now. Okay. I know my family is watching this right now, okay? I got family watching this on my Facebook friend list and stuff like that. I mean, God have mercy, Jesus, You never know. God blessing me some way, somehow. I don't know why, but I feel like I'm reaching the top, okay? Well, I'll be good to everybody. hmm Yeah, so YouTube is my passion. Okay? All right. So thank y'all for watching this, okay? Thank y'all for understanding and everything, okay? Bye-bye, y'all. Talk to y'all another time, all right? Bye.